see three major changes to the automotive industry in the next 10 years. The first big theme will be the shift to cleaner, more efficient vehicles. Secondly, we're going to see a big shift to safer transport through automation. And thirdly, there's going to be an exponential growth in shared vehicles. Well, governments around the world are mandating that car manufacturers produce cars with lower emissions. In fact, by 2025, it is a requirement by most countries to get emissions down by about 40%. Transport is one of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gases. What this will mean will be one of the biggest changes in drivetrain technology that the car industry has actually experienced in its history. As battery costs come down, hybrid and electric vehicles and even fuel cell vehicles will represent about 20% of global production by 2025. This is a major change in drivetrain technology and the biggest change in automotive history. Look, safety is one of the big concerns for all governments. The death rate in the US is about double that of all other OECD countries, about 10 people per 100,000. So it's necessary to improve vehicle safety. And in order to do that, you're going to see increased automation, and we've seen terrific growth in what they call driver assistance systems and more automotive vehicles. So this market is going to grow from about a $3 billion market today to a $25 billion market within 10 years. We've already seen a tremendous explosion in shared vehicle usage through Uber, Lyft, GoGet, and this is going to continue for the next 10 years. But we've already seen terrific growth in vehicle sharing, with Uber bookings going from nothing to $25 billion last year. Can you imagine the growth in this sector as the cost of shared vehicles declines? And automation is going to be the driver of lower cost shared vehicles. So the implications of improved efficiency in transport are wide and varied. There are going to be winners and losers. Certainly the OE companies, or the original equipment manufacturers, will benefit, and Arnhem has a position in the leading supplier of driver assistance systems in the world, which is Continental AG, listed on the German stock market. The other stock we have a position in is Transurban. Now that is an indirect beneficiary from increased utilisation of vehicles. So that is expected to grow over the next 10 years, and Transurban operates toll roads both in the US and of course in Australia.